If you want to install Gumroad on your mobile device, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest step-by-step way to get the app installed, open it, and sign in or create your account so you can start using Gumroad right away. This is perfect for beginners, and it only takes a few moments. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open the Google Play Store on your mobile phone. This is where you'll find the official Gumroad app for Android devices. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Gumroad. Make sure you spell it correctly so you can find the official app quickly. After you search, look through the results and find the Gumroad app. Before installing anything, it's always a good idea to double-check the app name and icon so you know you're selecting the correct one. When you're sure you found it, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your internet connection, this may only take a few seconds or a little longer. While it installs, you can simply wait for the process to finish. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the option to open the app. Tap Open to launch Gumroad right away. Now that the app is open, you'll be taken to the login screen. From here, you can either sign in to your existing account or create a new one if you're using Gumroad for the first time. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to continue. If you don't have an account yet, choose the sign up option and follow the on-screen steps to create one. After you sign in, the app is ready to use on your mobile device. You can now browse products, manage your account, and access Gumroad wherever you go. That's all there is to it. Just open Google Play Store, search for Gumroad, tap Install, open the app, and sign in or create your account. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.